Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a free tool that install all your favorite PC apps automatically in minutes. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser. Here you can search for Ninite. You will see, click on the first app website. Here you will see categories like web browser, messaging, media, imaging, documents. Now simply select the app you want. Like I want web browser, Discord, Zoom, Spotify. Now scroll down. Here you will see more apps. I also want AnyDesk. Scroll. Here you will see download and run your custom installer and click on get your Ninite. You will see installer includes this app. You can download, run and share. You can open this. Here you will see preparing setup. This tool will automatically download all selected apps. Here you will see show details. It will downloading apps. Install them silently. Everything happen automatically. This app is best for if you set up a new laptop, reinstall Windows. It's one of the easiest window trick every PC user should know. That's it. So that's how you can install multiple PC apps in one click. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment.